I'm going to show you how to make a vanilla buttercream frosting that's so delicious you'll want to eat it with a spoon. It tastes like homemade vanilla ice cream. Flavor FunFun. Common ingredients, easy to make, and kids will love it. Step 1. Put both sticks of room temperature butter into a mixing bowl. Using a hand mixer, beat on high speed for 2 minutes. Step 2. Add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and beat the mixture for 2 more minutes. Step 3. Use a spatula to scrape the butter off the sides of the bowl. If you don't, some of the butter will stick to the sides and it won't mix well. Step 4. Add the confectioner's sugar and beat on low speed until it starts to mix with the butter. Then increase the speed to high and beat for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 5. Add the vanilla and 1 more tablespoon of heavy whipping cream. Then beat again for 2 to 3 minutes or until it's smooth and creamy. Apply this buttercream to your favorite cupcakes or cake. For the full recipe, visit flavorfunfun.com. And for more awesome and easy recipes, like our Facebook page and subscribe on YouTube.